Smaller set of wrenches. Alright, so here's yesterday's progress. We got the whole radiator out. The hydraulic system tore apart. The fan was leaking. Hydraulic fan motor. So we got that out. We got all the cooling hoses off of it. So we're going to be replacing all the coolant hoses. That's a transmission cooler. Hydraulic hoses. This is a hydraulic bypass, so that's what controls the fan on and off. All that tore apart. Got the water pump off of it. We got all the water lines coming to the top off of it. We got all the fuel lines off. We removed this thermostat housing off of this head to get the crossover pipe off. So we also I pulled the starter so I could get to the coolant hoses, and then there's also an oil line that goes to the air compressor. So we've also removed the engineer compressor, sits in here, right there. So we got that out as well. So it was a pretty good day yesterday. Today we're just going to clean up some of the cooling hoses, the heater system cooling hoses that are hanging there. And then we've got some that are coming through here. We're going to try to clean all that up and get it all ready for next time. I'm going to replumb the heating system a little bit. That's about it.